Hi guys, welcome to Sweet Cravings Bakery. Today I'll be making this adorable baby crib cake. So if you'd like to see how I transform cake into this cool creation, keep watching. We made it to the most exciting part of the cake and also the most difficult for sure. In hindsight, I would have done a few things a little differently had I made a cake like this before. But since it was my first time, I'll know exactly what to do the next go round. Here you will see me building the crib around the actual cake mattress. I used melted chocolate as my edible glue, but next time I will definitely go with a royal icing. Royal icing would have given me a cleaner finish, so I wouldn't have had to spend so much time cleaning up this cake. After all the pieces were secure on the cake, I just smoothed everything out and I repainted some sections that lost paint while I was decorating. And there you have it, an actual baby crib cake. It is perfect for a baby shower, welcoming home a new baby, or anything you want to celebrate. As always, guys, if you paid close attention to the video, you will notice that I changed something on this cake. So if you know what I switched around, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bells. Whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be blessed, be safe, and be well. Bye-bye.